How to send money on PayPal to Venmo. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. So open up your PayPal and log in into your account. Check for your balance in your PayPal, then select the option of transfer. Now in here, firstly you need to transfer your money that you want to send to your Venmo to a bank account. This is because direct transaction between PayPal and Venmo is currently not available. Then you need to select a bank to which you want to send your money from PayPal. Select a bank or enter your bank details manually if you have not linked it yet, then select Next. Enter the amount of money that you want to send, then just tap on Send Payment Now. Once your bank has successfully received the amount, now the next step is to open up your Venmo. Log in into your Venmo, then select Add Fund. With a similar method, select the payment method option and choose the debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account. Enter the payment detail and complete the transaction. The funds will be added to your Venmo balance. Be aware of any fees associated with these methods. PayPal may charge fees for using a debit or credit card as a funding source, and Venmo may have fees for instant transfer. Ensure the linked bank account or debit or credit card details are accurate to avoid any issues. And that is a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.